Konnichiwa kohais, it has been quite a while since my last video and I'm really sorry for being inactive because I was really busy with my studies. Now, thanks to the coronavirus outbreak, I can finally have some me time. One thing that I've learned from this whole coronavirus outbreak is that we should all remain positive until this epidemic is over. Haha. Enough with the awful jokes. Guys, please stay at home and refrain from going out. Be safe, kohais. Yes, it's finally here. No, I'm not talking about the virus. I'm talking about the tutorial that every kohais have been requesting. So today, we'll be discussing and teaching you how to draw anime eyes. Well, as we all know, the eyes are the windows to the soul. They are the most important part of our face. Hello? What? You're telling me you can draw anime eyes? Boom, that's it. You're the real deal right now. Now everyone knows you can draw hot anime girls, and they will start requesting anime titties from you. Oh guys, I'm afraid to tell you that is impossible. So stop dreaming and learn to draw the whole thing, you lazy piece of scum. There are many ways to draw an eye, and it's impossible for me to discuss every single one of them. Well, maybe I will dedicate one video for it in the future. But the eyes can be simplified and categorized into three main types, which are common type, the long type, and the round type. Here are some character design tips. Kudere girls tend to have long eyes, while moe or dere girls will have round eyes. However, kohais, do keep in mind and stop drawing like this. Now this is a normal eye. The human eye can break into few parts: the eyelid, iris, pupil, eyelashes, tear duct, and sclera. And this is an anime eye. I love to draw my anime eyes with long eyelashes because it makes them look sexy. The biggest difference between a normal eye and an anime eye is that the pupil is much larger for an anime eye, and usually the tear duct is not being drawn. So if your art style is more towards a realistic style, then drawing the tear duct might help to elevate your art to a high level. I've said this in my face tutorial video and I'm gonna mention it again because this is very important. The distance between the eyes is exactly 1 to 1 to 1. Or else it will look quite strange and everyone will be wondering what the hell is this abomination you're drawing. Now everyone knows the ratio, but there's a problem that every one of you will definitely face. You can first draw one side of the eye, whether it's the right or the left, but when it comes to the opposite side, you just can't seem to do it. Fear not, as I am here with good news. So how can you practice? First, draw your eye. It doesn't matter whether it's the right or the left, just draw your favorite eye on the paper. Then flip your paper, and you can see that the eye is horizontally flipped. Then trace your left eye over and over again until you're really familiar with it. That's it! There's no shortcut, boy. Just practice. Oh wait, there's actually a shortcut for anyone who draws digitally. You know how it works, fellow digital artists. So now you have the basic understanding of the eye structure, the types of anime eye, and the ratio. But that's only one drop of water in the ocean. Okay, maybe one bucket. The answer is simple. You can't possibly draw every character with only the front angle. So how do we draw an eye from a different angle? Let me first show you the dissection of our eyes. Imagine a ball, a white ball, and you are using a surgical knife to cut two holes, one for the inner eye corner and one for the outer eye corner. When this ball is turned 45 degrees, pay attention to the eyeball and the skin above and below our eyes. The eyelid sits on our eyes while the skin below surrounds our eyes. These kind of small details actually increase the integrity of drawing an anime eye, and they should not be avoided, especially when you're drawing the eyes at different angles. Here's another unpopular knowledge for you guys. Try to draw the sclera and pupil more convex-like. What this does is it helps to make the eyes look more three-dimensional and thus more realistic and appealing. With all the available tips, let's try to draw, shall we? Have you guys noticed any difference? Yes, the right eye tends to look smaller and nearer because of perspective. The 3:1 ratio is no longer valid due to perspective. For this example, the ratio is probably 1 to 0.85 to 0.7. Well, to put it simple, just draw the other side of the eye smaller and that shall do. If you kohais want to improve your accuracy, what I suggest is to find some references observe them, and sketch. Most importantly, practice for the love of God. That's all for the eye tutorial video. I hope you guys liked it. By the way, follow me on Twitter. I started doing commission last month, so DM me on Twitter if you guys want a commission from me. Right now I'm giving 3 more free commissions away, and it's first come first serve. It's free, come and get it. Alright guys, make sure you drop this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.